Alright, let's go ahead and install these cams. We got other stuff to do, so I'm gonna get these installed. I've already cleaned out the cam chest here. Cleaned and polished the cams and remarked them so I can see them better. So we're going to take number 1 and give it a good liberal coating of assembly lube on the lobe itself and on the journal. And then once it's in there, I'll put more assembly lube on the gear face itself. So that there's number 1. We're going to start off with number 1, and I'll do number 4. They're all marked on the back of the cams here, which one's which. If you're not sure when you take them out, just write your own identifying marks on there with a Sharpie. It's been a while since I've done one, so gonna need some light on the subject here because I can't see shit over here. Don't have enough shop lights. I'm gonna get number 4. If I can see the damn timing mark on it. That's what happens when you get old, you get about half blind. I see it now. I had to take it out to see it. That little dot right there. And we'll take number 3 and slide it in there. So there's probably a lot better videos than this. I'm no video production specialist, so you just have to bear with me. Actually, I had to put some bluing on the backs of these where the numbers were to be able to see them. Kind of put some bluing on there and then wipe most of it off to be able to see it. What do you want? Okay, I see number 3 now. Go away, cat, you're in my light. Get out of here. Go on now. And we're a tooth off there, I think. And like 1 tooth off. Go away, cat. Oh, wrong way. Get out of here. Get. Sorry. A little interruption there. Oh, one too far the other way. I think that's right there. And now for number 2 cam, which is going to tie them all together. Got a timing mark on the pinion gear here.